Joshua Friedlein was 19 years old and 4 days into his sophomore year at Umpqua Community College.
Another professor came rushing into the classroom. You have to go into lockdown right now. There's an active shooter on campus. This is not a drill.
The deadly attack on October 1st, 2015 claimed the lives of 9 people, making it the deadliest mass shooting in Oregon's history. Friedlein says the memories of that day and the days following are a blur, but the impact remains.
The feelings always surface maybe a week before your body remembers without your mind even making the connection. And then you make the connection like, okay, that's coming up. It's still omnipresent.
As a survivor, he strongly supported and advocated for Measure 114, banning magazines that hold more than 10 rounds, requiring a permit to buy a gun and safety class to get that permit, and finally requiring a completed background check before a gun can be sold or transferred to the buyer. When it passed in 2022, Friedlein called it a relief.
I believe that this legislation, this policy will save lives. And at the end of the day, isn't that what this is all about?
Despite the measure's passage, it never took effect, challenged in court almost immediately afterwards.
This is about the individual right to self-defense and the right to bear arms to secure that right.
And in 2023, a Harney County judge blocked it, ruling 114 unconstitutional. Then last week, the Oregon Court of Appeals heard oral arguments from both sides, the state pushing to revive the measure and opponents of 114 trying to keep it permanently blocked.
We have background checks at the point of sale in the state of Oregon and in all 50 states in the United States. It's actually federal law that you have to go through a background check. This is a second background check. Prophylaxis upon prophylaxis. It's unnecessary.
The appeals court will take likely several months to make a decision here, but this case is expected to make its way to the Oregon Supreme Court. Meantime, in federal court, a judge in Portland ruled Measure 114 doesn't violate the U.S. Constitution, but that case, too, is expected to go to the U.S. Supreme Court. All in all, lots more litigation here before a final answer. David, back to you.
Thanks, Selma. Appreciate the update on all of those cases right now.